Create a consistent brand, a systematic approach, across every channel, across every campaign, across every product. This workflow is exactly how professional studios achieve brand consistency, but we're doing it with AI. Free prompts are waiting for you in the description below. Welcome to Kling.2.6. I'll show you how to build a strong, systematic brand, achieving studio quality visuals across all your e-commerce channels without spending a massive marketing budget. Step 1 and 2. Master prompt and background. First, grab the main brand prompt from Kling.2.6. Brand prompt section. This prompt guides the AI to correctly place and light your product. We open Higgsfield.ai, use the image generation tool, and generate our master studio background. For our product, we're using a conceptual luxury fragrance demo. We input the product-only prompt into the Nano Banana Pro model. When you hit generate, you'll see how effectively the AI gathers all the elements in the right position. Step 3. Color consistency. We use Canva to unify the lighting and color. The goal isn't just a nice picture, but a consistent brand system. Now, watch as we swap the color theme to Ecdemo Red. We change the product and the model styling, but the core visual system remains identical. This is the secret to strong brand ads. Step 4. Motion with Kling 2.6. Time to create the motion ad. Back on Higgsfield.ai, switch to video. We are going to transform these perfect stills into cinematic scenes using Kling 2.6. We import the sapphire blue image. Paste the specialized motion prompt, and enable the voiceover audio feature. Kling 2.6 generates that smooth, professional motion sequence you usually see in high-budget TV ads.
A refined blend of natural fragrance essences.
Finally, let's wrap up our professional video ad in CapCut. Drag and drop the 3 motion clips you just created with Kling 2.6 onto the timeline. Use one of your consistent brand images as a background, and strategically add key information, like a promotional sale or a limited time discount offer. Now, we finalize the assets, crop and resize the video and image elements to perfectly fit the required dimensions for your target ad platform, for example, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts.
A refined blend of natural fragrance essences.
And we're done. Export the final video and upload it directly to start your high-converting ad campaigns. This entire studio-level workflow was powered by Higgsfield.ai and the incredible Kling 2.6. All the free brand prompts are waiting for you in the description below. Thank you for watching, and welcome back to Kling.2.6.